Hi, good evening. So I'm here with the English unit, Nature's Plenty. I have given you a work, and many of you have sent me back what you have done, but I have not received all your works. I want everyone to complete your works and give it to me. Alright, so let us start with the unit. The name of the unit is Nature's Plenty. Do you know what it means? Nature's Plenty. Plenty means abundant, bountiful. All this comes as meaning. So here it is nature's plenty, and there is a quote by Albert Einstein. What does that quote say? Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. So what does it say? If you want to learn something, everything that you need to know is there in the nature. Are you a nature enthusiast? Do you keep observing the nature? Do you look at the animals, the birds, and everything that is happening in nature, the changes that you see? Do you observe everything? If you haven't, you should. And you will learn a lot of things from the nature. Also, along with this, what I have to say is, or what I have to remind you is another quote by Mahatma Gandhi, who says, nature has everything for a man's need, but not for his greed. So we should always remember that we need to use only that we need use from nature. All the disasters that we are seeing now may be because of the greed of us, of humans, is it not? So we should alright, then we saw the picture and many of you have described it beautifully. It is a beautiful, peaceful picture, and it is described well. Next is a newspaper clipping of a girl named Suryamani. Who is Suryamani? She is a nature lover and she is nature's daughter. So please look at the new paper clipping and try to read it and try to understand what is it. So nature's daughter is the heading, and the news report is from Jharkhand. So please try to read what is given there. Living close to nature is living life in full. Suryamani's story will definitely be an eye-opener to those who deliberately walk away from nature. What does deliberately mean? Intentionally or purposefully. So it is a story for those who walk away from nature. We don't give much consideration to nature. We don't think about the hardships that we are causing to nature. For such people, this is an eye-opener. Suryamani is a tribal nature activist who loves the forest and considers it as a home. She loved the forest and knew that she could do something to save it. In college, she became a part of the Save the Forest movement. She went to nature walks with children on weekends, explaining that our survival is linked with the survival of the forest. So this is Suryamani's story, and as said in the description, it should be an eye-opener to all of us who never give a consideration for the nature. So what is this? What is the moral of the paper clipping? It tells us to do whatever is possible to help nature to be a better place. It is not only for our own benefit, it should be for the benefit of all the creatures and all other animals living on the planet. Nowadays we can see many disasters occurring. Maybe it could be because of our careless behavior, is it not? So whatever is possible by us, we should do in order to protect the nature. Now if you look closely, you can see 3 questions. I want you to try to answer those questions. What is this news item about? Next question. Suryamani works hard to save the forest. Have you ever made any attempt to save nature? And the last one, our survival is linked with the survival of the forest. Do you agree? Discuss this with your friend? So these are the 3 questions that you have to answer. As usual, take your notebooks and try to write the answers. Write the question first and answers later. Alright.